Wala pang napipili sa Pangulong Aquino na papalit kay NDRRMC Director Benito Ramos. Sa panayam ng Philippine Media Delegation sa Pangulo sa Davos, Switzerland, sinabi niyang may dalawa siyang pinagpipilian. Sinabi na magiging isang Ramos, lalo pat isa ito sa mga asset ng Pangulo na asset din sa gobyerno. Gayunman, sinabi nito na nauunawaan niya ang dahilan ng pagbibitiw ni Ramos, lalo pat para ito alagaan ng kanyang asawa na sinuporta naman ang naging karera sa buhay ng NDRRMC Director.
First, no? Kasi there are actually two contenders. But one is not available yet. No? Was actually demonstrated both of them, no? Have actually demonstrated ability to handle a crisis. No, and one is not available, the other is available. I'd like to go through and check with my advisors again, especially the Secretary of National Defense, as to suitability of who will be the better candidate.